amigos? Hoy es sábado, buenos días, es muy temprano, no sé por qué estoy tan feliz. Bueno, no, sí sé, es porque ya tomé café. Perdón por la tele. Hoy me levanté temprano porque tengo que ir a la escuela o al trabajo, porque tengo que ir a un entrenamiento. Entonces por eso nos levantamos temprano, nos hicimos el pelo, nos pintamos. Hoy no es como un video cualquiera porque es el comienzo de VLOGMAS. Si no saben qué es VLOGMAS, es cuando en YouTube subes video todos los días, del 1 de diciembre al 25 de diciembre, todos los días, diario lo subes. Este año decidí que lo iba a hacer y vamos a ver si puedo. La verdad es que ya lo he intentado. Si ven alguno de mis videos del año pasado, algunos dicen VLOGMAS o algo así, pero nunca los acabé, entonces como que nada más lo dejaba y ya dejaba de subir videos. Pero este año decidí que sí lo iba a hacer, aunque sean los videos más aburridos, iba a hacer todos los 25 días. In this whole video, I'm going to be talking in English because, as you know, I speak both languages, English and Spanish, so I've always kind of like intertwined both of them, and you guys see that sometimes I talk Spanglish. So I wanted to do a video with me speaking only English because there's been studies, I think I saw that there had been studies that they say that when you speak like different languages, and like let's say you're speaking Spanish, it's like you have one personality, and then when you're speaking English, you have another personality. So I wanted to see if that was the case. Like, I feel like I don't have two personalities. I just feel, sometimes I feel that I can communicate better and express myself better in Spanish. I feel more comfortable in Spanish. I have so much to clean in my apartment. Like, I'm like overwhelmed. It's so dirty, and I have so much clothes to wash. Like, I'll show you guys right now. I have to clean the bathroom, and I have to clean the microwave because it's like... To start with is the kitchen, because look at all this mess. And I also have to organize the pantry a little bit, even though I don't have a lot of stuff in there, but I have to organize it. I just got a Keurig yesterday. I'm like ecstatic. I'm gonna try it today. I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee later on. All this clothes. I've already put all the clothes in here. I have to throw some stuff out from the fridge, and I have to clean it. So I'm gonna do that right now. Well, first I'm gonna take everything out. Like, this milk is already expired, so I have to throw it out. And literally it is up to here. So I need to stop buying milk, but then there's those times that I really want cereal. And I'm like, I need milk. Taking a little break. Watching How I May rather, and I'm gonna order a little bit of groceries. Clean it, like to go room by room. So right now I did the kitchen, and then right now I'm doing the living room. There were like a couple of coats that I had here, and I already put them away. I had a backpack here, I already put it away. So now I'm gonna fix these little cushion things that always get all messed up. It was like $4 something, so it was pretty cheap, but yeah, this always happens. I don't know if it's because I assembled it wrong or what, but yeah, this always happens, and it's pretty annoying. I have a couple of things in this table that do not belong here that I have to find a place for. I had my printer over there, but I already put it away, and then I kind of just like decluttered everything I had on top of that desk and just left those two things.
I came into the bathroom. This stuff is pretty much cleaned and organized and how I want it. It's just like at the top there's a little bit of dirt, but like I can't reach that high, so I can't clean it up. I have to clean this, put that stuff away, put that stuff away. This goes, oh, I can't close it. This goes over here. Fun part that I've been wanting to organize, because I don't know, it's not disorganized or like cluttery or anything, but I just don't like how I put the jackets and the sweaters here and then my shirts here and the pants over there. I just like want to reorganize it all. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I already put all the jackets and sweaters here. I started with some jumpers that I have, and then this jacket, and then that one, and then like a bunch of like my coat and stuff, and then jackets, sweaters, and then I'm gonna have a lot more sweaters, so I think I'm gonna put them over here once they are dry, once I get them out of the dryer. At the top I'm gonna put winter shoes like boots. Well, I only have like 3 pairs of boots, so I'm gonna put them there. This is how it turned out. I put my jeans and my like work pants here. First I started with like stuff I really don't wear, like white jeans, and this one that's kind of like khaki, and then this one is like super ripped up, so I don't wear it. This is like the only skirt I own. Then I started with jeans and then work pants. I left the shoes like that, but I'll probably change it up in a minute. I have more shoes over here, which are like summer shoes that I don't use anymore or not as often. I have like boots over there, booties, which I'm gonna move over here like I said, but I haven't done that. This is the jackets. I put my suitcases here, some boxes right here. This is where I put like more sweaters, and this is school shirts, and then this is where I have all my shirts, which I also need to divide up into shirts that I can use for school and shirts that I cannot. I started, I don't know, this is much better. I started putting the dishes away, but they were kind of still like pretty wet, so I'm just gonna leave those there. And I just got the pan out because I'm about to make dinner. So basically I don't know how to cook, and I never have time to cook because I'm always at work. I literally only cook, if I'm gonna cook, I only cook during the weekend. So what I do is I buy these like big packets, family size, like pastas and stuff. This is cheesy ranch chicken. It comes with tender white chicken, pasta, broccoli, corn, carrots, cheddar cheese sauce, and it's frozen. And then you just like simmer it in the pan and leave it there for a few minutes. These are the sauce packets that it comes with, and I buy the family size because that way I have enough for like I can eat dinner tonight and then I can eat it for lunch tomorrow. It tells you how long to leave it in there for. This one says 18 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. A little bit more complicated. And then I just put the top on it and leave it there. Dinner is served. And then I have 2 for lunch for work. Groceries are here, so let's put them away. Last but not least, we're gonna do this room. Sorry for everything you're seeing. I have this little stuffed, I was gonna say stuffed animal, but it's not a stuffed animal. This stuffed meanie that I got when I was a baby, and I've had it ever since. And I got it here, but since I'm gonna put something else here, I'm gonna put this in my living room. I'm gonna see how it looks in the little TV thing I have for the TV. Let's go look. I think it looks okay. I mean, it kind of looks scary though. Oh well, I'm just gonna leave it there.
It's just bonkers beautiful here.
Met your mother.
How you can improve on a day like this.
Which I don't have much in, but like in here I have like my underwear and bras and stuff, and then here I have like pajamas and clothes that I sleep in or shirts that I like just sleep in. So I'm gonna put that stuff away. I need to figure out something with this little carpet thing, rug. It's not a carpet, it's a rug. Because I put it here, but it like, I swear it moves by itself. I don't know, it's always like never where I want it. There's a penny. So now we're cleaning this mirror that is so cute, but I never get to use because I'm never really in this room except for when I'm gonna go to sleep. Yeah, I feel like I don't really pay much attention to this room. But I love this mirror. Like I had always seen it at Target and I had always wanted to get it. And then I finally got it. I feel like I don't use it because I don't have a TV in there, which is where there's supposed to be a TV there. But once I get a TV, I think I'll be in here more often. Because if you guys watched my videos when I lived in Arizona, I used to move my TV a lot, like from the living room to my room. But then I don't want to do that here because I just don't want to do it. I just want to leave the TV there, and then I want to get another one over here so that I can watch TV here and be here more because I'm never really here. And also, I think I'm going to wait until I get a TV here so that I can get cable. Because, I don't know if I've told you guys, but my TV does not work. Like, I only watch TV because it's a smart TV, so I watch Netflix or Hulu or YouTube, but the channels don't work, and I have an antenna. And last year, when I lived in Arizona, I had an antenna too, and it worked fine. Like I could see like ABC, NBC, like all those channels, you know, the local channels. And I could see like Telemundo and all that stuff. But here, I don't know why it just does not work. I don't know if it's because like there's no good signal or I don't know. But like the TV does not work. Even like not even the local channels. Like I can't watch ABC, NBC, like all those good channels. Nothing works. So literally I just watch like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube. That's why I'm kind of been thinking about getting cable, but I think I'm gonna get it until I get a TV here so that I can like watch the cable here. And I might just get the cable here in my room and not in the living room. Just like every time I want to watch Netflix and stuff, go over there, and then when I want to watch TV, come over here. But I don't know yet. Honestly, not gonna make the bed because I'm just gonna come and sleep in it in a little bit. I'm gonna put these pillows right here. And I have to put that blanket somewhere else because it does not belong here. Here I have this cute little lamp that I got at Target. Have some water above my bed, which I just spilled. Ugh. Hold on, technical difficulties. I have the lamp, and I have water, and I have this book that I'm reading right now, and this little block thing that I didn't know where to put, so I decided to put it here. This is how it looks. It looks cute. How it looks from over here. Just cut my hair, so I made myself a little bun at the top, but like all my bottom hairs were falling out, obviously. So I have a bunch of bobby pins in them. So I just went in my closet right now and I realized that it is not looking how I want it to look. So I thought it was done, but after the shower I might organize my closet because yeah. And I mean, it's gonna take a while for my hair to air dry, and I usually air dry my hair. And I can't go to sleep with my hair wet because hashtag sick, and hashtag it will get me even more sick. So that's what we're gonna do after I take a shower. I'm gonna move these shoes from here and put some of the shirts over here. And then those shoes, I guess I'm gonna leave there. I don't know. I really want to put them like in a box or something. I'll see. Okay, so I think I have it how I like it for now. Let me show you. It's there that you can see that I wear for my job. The shoes are still there. I'm just gonna leave them there. The booties are still there. I'm gonna leave them there. I put some tennis shoes that I don't really use a lot over here, and then I put these booties over here because I'm too lazy to put them up there right now. Then over here I put
some shoes. On this side, I put shirts that I cannot or will not wear for my job. And then over here, all the coats and the jackets that you guys saw. The suitcases, some boxes. Then I have like my sweaters. And then these are like school shirts. Like they're like, they say my school name and all that stuff. Like spirit shirts, I guess you call them. That means that I am officially done organizing my apartment, organizing my life. Like literally, I feel so much better. I needed this day to just like throw away everything I don't need, I clean up. Like I feel so much better. And this is where I'm going to end this video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you want to see more videos of me talking in English, if you really like this video, I actually enjoyed myself like talking English. I thought I was gonna mess up sometimes and start talking in Spanish, but I didn't. If you I don't even know what I'm saying. If you want me to do another video like this, please give it a thumbs up. That way I know that you want another video like this. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe like I already said. Bye.